Taste test challenge video.
Test. I wish I haven't done one of these.
Grapefruit.
Biscuits. Which piece should I try first?
I tried a big orange.
A big red orange. Maybe it's a big red. Just a big. It's a red. Maybe the next there will be a blue. Yeah.
Smells kind of good.
Smells like an orange. It's actually pretty good. Oh, what happened?
What happened?
What happened to it? It starts out as a nice orange. It turns into the most bitter thing I've ever eaten.
Here, you try one,
1 out of
Heiko.
10.
You want to do the taste test challenge? Raja says 1 out of 10.
I need it.
You ready? You want to try one of these?
Okay, let's
Taste
eat it
test challenge.
for the first time.
Raja said he didn't like it.
Wow. For once.
Sour.
Yeah, it's pretty sour.
It's really red, huh?
No, man.
It's called red.
Raja's like, pretty good. And then he was like, what happened to it?
It just disappeared.
Yeah, the juice is pretty good until it hits you.
It's like
Do you like it, or have you really got a good taste?
like a big bite of
I'm
it.
nervous now.
I understand this.
I don't
I
know
already
if
paste.
that's gonna
I like them.
So big.
It's a big piece. How do you even fit that in your mouth?
Please don't chill.
Just a brown.
It's pretty sour.
Sour than expected. Last time it was just all bitter. Not
Sour and bitter.
How was it? 2 4. Let it pot.
Bring it. Poo it.
Alright.
Bring it.
Oh, sorry about that.
Poo it. No. No.
That one's good though.
No. You can only finish the IBCs.
Okay.
We have
Aww.
capital A and
What is
lowercase a.
Okay, where did you put them? Or is that all? Where was
I saw you on phone.
Which other?
Them.